Hey everyone, it's me back with another brand new video. I don't know if this is fast or slow, but yeah. Anyway guys, hopefully you guys did like this video. It's how to tape my knob. And yeah, let's get into this video. If you guys can hit that like button, subscribe, do all the amazing stuff. And yeah, let's start whipping all this. It's how to tape my knob. So yeah, I'm surprised that this came up nice and easy for me, because it's pretty old and crappy hockey tape. So I'm pretty surprised that it's nicely coming off easily for me. So yeah. Oh my goodness. I think this is one of the old CCM sticks. So whoever did this so much. Ah. And of course my nose starts bleeding. That really fucking sucks now that my nose is fucking bleeding. Just from that. Unwrapping this. Like, crazy. I want this to be off too. One second, guys. That's fucking crazy though. Just from that, just a fucking nosebleed. Come on. I just have to watch my nose, just in case if it starts back up. But I think it'll be fine. But yeah, my nose hurts from that fucking thing. But anyway, I got all this. Yeah, my nose hurts. But all I have to do is video quick before it does stop bleeding again. So basically, how I tape my sticks, I cut the tape in half. If I can get that ugly black tape. But then I'll just nicely go like that. I don't have like a big, huge knob. I just have a little tiny knob. So, yeah. roll this around. I'm just gonna keep going just in case. There. That's how I tape my knob with this guy right here. It feels like sometimes my nose feels like it's gonna bleed again, but it doesn't. It's weird. It feels like it's gonna bleed, but it's not bleeding. Then I put a tape on top of here to protect, if you guys know what I mean. Like up here where the knob is. Just like so, because, yeah. Alright. Just like so. I always tape it like this on my knob. I'm gonna get my second knob, my second tape. Yeah, I got 3 tapes. So, but they're not white like they should be. You know what? I'm just gonna use this tape right here, because I already have one for my knob, which I did not know. So, yeah. You know what? I'm gonna use this big one. This big. I gotta get new tape anyway, because, yeah, dirt tape doesn't look nice. Alright, nicely go around like so, and then down like that. Have it nice and tight so it won't come off again. So I'm taping it nice and tight. If you guys can see, taping it nice and tight. Just like so, like this. I usually have it long sometimes. Sometimes I do defend while I'm playing. So, yeah.
Well, you know what that means.
Nicely tape it like so. Like so. And then make it go like that. And then kaboom, kabam. Just like that. Tape. That's how I tape my knob, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I already did the taping job on these sticks. I'll test this stick out on a rig when it's first ready. I'll test it out, see how it feels. It feels really light. It's not heavy like the new ones are. But I'll let you guys know in the hockey rink how this stick feels when I play and whatnot. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how that it feels, if it feels nice or whatever. I might have a GoPro probably then.